How to use EPROLO affiliate program to earn commission. EPROLO has launched a dropshipping affiliate program for online store owners. You can make money with only a few clicks. So, how does EPROLO affiliate program work? 1. Register EPROLO freely and get a link. 2. Share your link with others. If people register EPROLO via your link, you can make money from them. 3. Get 2% order amount as commission. You can earn a recurring commission from orders within 12 months from the registration date of others. Then, how to join EPROLO affiliate program and use it? First, sign up EPROLO. Click Start Earning Now for an account. Fill in your email address and password. Second, get your exclusive link. Log in EPROLO and click My Account, Affiliate. Your referral link is here. Third, share your link. Click Copy, then share the link on your Facebook, YouTube, blogs, and personal website. 4. Check your commission. Click Affiliate to see details. Your commission is 2% times the total order amount. 5. Withdraw your commission when it's over $100. Contact customer support and provide your PayPal account. The withdrawals will be processed in 24 to 48 hours.